Hey butterflies, it's Leek. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angelic, but you can call me Leek. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the perfect matte look. Basically, there's no shimmers, there's no highlights. This is just like a super matte, cute little smoky eye. It's basically like an eye look that I do every single day, but usually I'll use a shimmer. Like I love shimmer, I love highlight. But looking matte is really nice too. It's less work. You look kind of more clean, I feel like, if you're matte. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I always start out by just filling in my eyebrows. This is always my first step. It just looks way better when you do them first. It really helps set up the rest of your face. And for today's look, I will be using the Soft Glam palette. It's one of my favorites. As you can see, it's super beat up. I'm going to go in with Sienna. I'm going to place it in my crease, really pack it on, and then blend it out, vice versa, until it looks the way I want. Lately, I've been doing my eyes first. I never used to do this, but I like the way it looks when I can clean it up with concealer. I don't have to be too precise, so it just helps a lot, especially when you have shadows that are really good at having fallout. And basically I'm doing the same motions, but I'm using deeper colors as I go, so I will show you which colors I'm using, but I'm just basically trying to make my crease look super deep. And then I grabbed an even darker brown to just completely deepen up the whole look. So right here I'm showing you the three colors that I use: Rustic, Sienna, and Cypress Umber. And then to go in the inner corner of my eye, I will be using Tempera. Here's how it'll look when you're done. It's very matte. I didn't use any shimmer colors and it looks very nice. Then I go in with this blurring primer from Laura Mercier. It's really good at making my skin look matte after all my products. YSL All Hours is the most beautiful matte foundation I've ever tried. And I just blend it out with a brush. I'm going to go over top of it with Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's beautiful. Right here you can see how I use my concealer to clean up my shadow, and it's just such an easy cheat for anybody to do. And these are just all the basic steps with all cream and liquid products. When I go over with the powder products, I'll explain a little bit more. I'm using the best powder ever. It's so filter-like. I talked about it in my last video. This is just going to mattify the skin without over drying it out. It really just adds a blurring effect. It looks beautiful, soft, seamless. And then I set that cream contour with a bronzer. I never use shimmery bronzers. That's just not my look that I go for, even in summertime. So I'm going to bake under that, cut it so that it's nice and sharp. But the blush and the bronzer that I use when I want a matte look is always matte, no type of shimmer. I don't like shimmer at all when I want a matte look because it just makes it look not clean. And with all this matteness, you want to add a little extra. You can always smoke out your lower lash line. It just adds a little something special. Of course, the lashes are a go-to. These are nice and soft. I feel like they really make my eyes look cat-like. Then I'm just going to do my lips like I always do, liner and lipstick, and I'm done. This is the finished look right here. I'm pretty matte. I added a little bit of shimmer right here just because it looked weird, but I have no highlight on my cheeks, no highlight on my brow bone. This is a completely matte. There's no shimmer shadows, no shimmery blush, nothing. This is a completely matte look. I love the eyes. Anyone can really follow this tutorial if you have oily skin and you just want matte skin. If you're just going for a really matte look, if you have trouble finding like matte products, I feel like this look would be really cute for you. I really like it. I like how my hair looks and my makeup and my outfit, but we're under quarantine so I can't go out. But I'm gonna probably film 2 videos just to be honest with y'all. So if y'all see me looking like this in 2 different videos, mind your business. If you like this video, please make sure you thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for some more Leek in your life. We're on the road to 1K. I'm manifesting it right now, and I I will see you guys in the next one.